இன்னைக்கு வந்து ஒரு சில GK questions பார்க்க போறோம். Are you ready?
Oh yes.
Very good. Which magic word do you use while asking for something?
Please.
Very good. Which magic word do you use when someone helps you?
Thank you.
What is the color of the sky?
Blue color.
Very good. Name the shape with 3 sides.
Triangle.
Very good. What is the smallest 2-digit number?
10.
Which shape has no sides and corners?
Circle.
Very good. Which shape has all 4 of its sides equal?
Square.
Very good. What is the largest 2-digit number?
99.
Very good. What is the smallest even number?
2.
Very good. An adult human has dash teeth.
32.
Very good. What are the white lines where we cross the road called?
Zebra crossing.
Very good. Sun rises in the
East.
sun sets in the.
West.
What does the red light of a traffic signal indicate?
Red.
Red indicate.
Stop.
Very good. What does green light of a traffic signal indicate? Green.
Go.
What does yellow light of a traffic signal indicate?
Yellow.
Yellow. Yellow
Get
indicate.
ready.
Get ready. What does a caterpillar turns into?
Butterfly.
Very good. How many players are there in a cricket?
11.
The doctor who takes care of our teeth is called?
Dentist.
Our solar system has dash planets.
8 planets.
How many kidneys does a human body have?
2 kidneys.
How many strings does a violin have?
4.
Very good. How many moon does Earth have? Earth.
1.
Very good. Saturn has dash moons.
82 moon.
What are the colors of Olympic rings?
Red, yellow, green, blue, black.
Very good. A spider has dash legs.
8 legs.
Very good. Which part of a plant grows under the soil? Under the soil.
Root.
Name the planet in our solar system with the most number of moons.
Saturn.
Very good. Which month has least number of days?
February.
Very good. What do you call a person who makes furniture from wood?
Carpenter.
How many years make a decade?
10.
Very good. Which part of a plant is called kitchen of the plant?
Leaf.
Very good. What is the shape of a cricket field?
Circle.
Very good. Name a bird that can fly backwards.
Hummingbird.
Hummingbird. சொல்லு.
Hummingbird.